So today we have a little quiz. Are you ready for this, Mike? Okay.
We're gonna
tell everybody what these words mean in today's market.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is open floor plan.
Well, this used to mean, why would I want to see my kitchen from my living room? And now it means, whoa, look at all that room.
Ooh, good. 2 points.
Ding, 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 ding.
So the next one is hurry, because it won't last long.
Now, this used to mean that it's not going to last long for sale. But what it really means now is, yep, not going to last long.
That was goofy.
Yeah, that was goofy, but it's not going to last long. I ain't kidding you, no matter what. I'm telling you, you heard it right here.
Okay, here's the next one. Here's the next one. Okay, you ready for the next one?
I am ready.
The next one is charming. What does that mean?
Charming. This used to mean it's just really small, and now it means it's small, but you're gonna love it.
You're gonna love it.
Look at the heart.
Do you even know we gotta do that? Great potential. What's that mean?
That used to mean it needs a lot of work. Now, it just means it needs a lot of HGTV updating.
That's good.
I ain't lying on that neither.
Okay, are you ready for the last one? Okay, up and coming neighborhood. Right here. What does that mean? What did it used to mean? What's it mean now?
It used to mean it was really affordable because it was up and coming. And now all that means is maybe, just possibly, you could get it for under $400,000. Maybe.
Oh, and there you go, folks. You see these words on a listing? You know what they used to mean and what they mean in today's current market. If you have any confusion, just give us a call.
Yep.
We'll help you.
We can definitely walk you through it.
The Keil team is with Keller Williams Realty.
615-778-1818.